Maybe. Alright, so if you don't know where the bolts is at, just grab your new part. Hey guys, today we'll be replacing a starter on a Hyundai Elantra. So to take the airflow out, it's probably like a screw right here, screwdriver, flathead, 8mm. Unwrap, unscrew that, take that off, take the box off, and then inside the air box there's 3 10mm screws. You take them 3 10mm screws out, and you'll take all of this out. Disconnect your batteries. You see, I thought it was the connections. Changed the connections already, but it wasn't. Charge the battery, and it wasn't. It wasn't that. Might be a tune-up. Might be a tune-up. Cause it might be a tune-up. But I don't know. I don't know. But so starter is back there. That's the starter. Where you see that screw at. Where you see them 2 screws. Okay. And the one bolt to the starter is actually up under here. You know, under your shift cable. If you, let me see if I can come right here. If you can see it, you kind of see it in that corner. Dang, I got all that corrosion on it. I gotta take my. Alright, if you got too much corrosion, I prefer you to take your time unscrewing the rubber. Pull that off. Pull your rubber guard off. Pull your rubber guard off. And it should be, what is the 2 12mm bolts right here. And then I think the other ones, I believe the other ones is, you see there's one bolt right there, there's one bolt on the top. You ain't going to see this bolt up there, so you're going to have to use your hands and all that. But I'm about to go get my tools. I'm about to take this off for y'all, so I'll be back. You look at the front of the car. The starter is like that inside the car. So if you can't find the first bolt, like I told you, under the shifter cable, there go the first bolt. Literally right there under the shifter cable. Let's take that out first. That's the one screw to move the bar. But I'm gonna take this apart first. See if I don't gotta remove it. Cause if I don't got to, alright. That broke free pretty easy. Alright, can't hold my phone and untwist it, so you see that it's loose already. So let me untwist this and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, grab your small 14. Like I said, if you don't know where it's at, look on your port. Yeah, because this is the top of the engine. Boom. Lean over. The other bolt is actually right there. Don't want to focus on that. I'm trying to focus on here. That's the other bolt. Zoom back out. And let's see if we can get that. Grab your small one. You might gotta go underneath. I don't think so though. Dang, my feet up in the air. It's loose. All Alright, it's time to go underneath. They 13 millimeters. So get up in there. Get up in there. Get them 13 millimeters. Oh, my phone might fall. I don't think I can record it. But like I said, that's the bracket that you might gotta take off one screw. So once you take that 13 millimeter out, as you can see, go back to the top. You can see that the wires out, the rubber's off. I could keep the screw right here. Dang, I left my wrench down there. Down. Oh, at least I left it in the corner. Alright, so come back up here. Finish taking this 14 millimeter off the top screw. I already took the bottom one off. Starter is loose. Starter is loose. All I gotta do is take the top one off. Alright. Before you go try to do anything else. And then break it. No. Pull your wire back up. This is what you gotta connect. Pull that up. Move it out of the way. You know what I mean? Finish taking this one off. And it should just drop, honestly. So what the fingers do. Alright, there we go. That bolt is out. Second bolt. Started don't look too bad. I gotta get ready. Damn. It is pretty old. Should I just drop it out the bottom? Just drop it out the bottom. Grab your new one. And go install it in the bottom. Okay, like I said, starter did drop. It dropped right out. My bad. There go the starter. John, don't look too bad. Oh well. That connection was titty. Make it better. Oh well. Girl, your new starter. Let's put it in. We gonna put no man the exhaust. The welds are weak. The welds are weak, but they definitely solid. The new one in there. Kind of slid in there, easy as hell too, surprisingly. All right, go back up to the top, tighten them two 14 millimeters up. You'll be done. Well, don't forget to put your connection back on, but clean your connection. Could be the problem too. All I'm gonna say, don't be scared to get on your car, cause oof, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Holding it. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. It's gonna be a pain in the ass holding the starter. Holding the motherfucking starter and trying to get it in there. Trying to get y'all a good, better angle. You really can't really see it. You see, I started that one. Gotta take it back out though, because it's getting too tight. So I think I put it in crooked. But get this bottom one there. Yeah, all you gonna want to do is untwist that bolt right there. Make sure you don't lose that washer. Washer and bolt. Remove that boot. Make sure you put that little piece on there. This piece. Make sure you got that piece that you took the boot off. Make sure you put the other washer back on. Let me find that bolt. The bolt is right here. Damn. Don't drop the bolt. About to drop the bolt. Come on, there you go. Make sure you plug all your connections back in. Make sure they tight. Make sure all your connections is tight. And put that boot back down. There you go. Starter installed. Alright, everything's tightened up. Put your 10mm back in. I already put the battery on. See if it works. Meter. Really doesn't even matter how you put this on. Honestly, you could start it right now. I'm just trying to be over it because I'm trying to get this car off my goddamn trailer. I got a car I gotta tow, and this has been sitting on the trailer too long. Bang. Get your box.